Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ayan, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. By the way, sorry, inaayos ko lang yung aking camera. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, no, Virgo Philippines, i-subscribe nyo lang, guys. And, dun sa ibang channels natin, check mo na lang dyan sa description box. Nandyan yung ibang details or ibang channels natin. Kung gusto mo akong mapanood ng live Unicorn Princess Tarot sa TikTok at saka dito sa Madam P Vlogs dito sa YouTube, dito mo lang ako mapapanood ng live, okay? Medyo hindi lang ako makapag-live lately kasi medyo marami pa akong inaasikaso. But anyway, itong reading natin, hopefully makarelate ka, no? Hopefully makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, pero kung hindi, okay lang. May mga next readings pa tayo. Okay? May mga next readings pa. Normal yung hindi makarelate at hindi makaresonate. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya. Okay, so let's start your reading. This is general love reading, by the way. Kunin muna natin yung situation or connection ninyo ng person na kakonect mo. You do have your healing family issues and one more card. Heart-to-heart conversation. Okay, so sa side mo, main energy sa side mo. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising Virgo. For the sign of Virgo. For the sign of Virgo. Okay, main energy, you do have here the Moon. And the Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Okay, sa side naman ng person mo, kukunin ko na yung mga cards, mga main energies. For the sign of Virgo, please. Person of Virgo. Person of Virgo, please. Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Person of Virgo. Your person, you do have your the Death card. Ten of Cups. Okay, and Five of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. So sa nakikita natin dito, pwedeng there's a lot of stress with the moon. Nakukuha natin yan. Like, actually, yung strength mo is nasa moon energy. Like, yung iba sa inyo mas active kapag dating ng gabi or madaling araw. Pwede rin namang hindi. But, for what or maybe yung side mo is the other side. But for what I can see here, I feel like ang dami mong tinatry protektahan ngayon. You know what I mean? Career mo, stability mo, health mo, mga tao sa paligid mo, you're trying to protect them. Because you are the Queen of Cups. Diba? You are the Queen of Cups. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo ngayon, it's like, sila yung pinapriority mo ngayon. Hindi lang tao, but yun nga, yung situation and material things na nasa paligid mo ngayon, sila yung importante sa'yo ngayon. For what I can see here, may mga biglaang atake or maybe issues, health issues yung iba na nagdudulot sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng pagod, I can see anxiety or nadidrain or napapagod ka. Um, with the Seven of Cups, tinatry mong harapin yung mga problema mo ngayon, yung mga lungkot or kung man ito ng mga nasa harapan mo ngayon to protect itong mga tao or mga bagay na nasa paligid mo. And I feel like yung iba sa inyo nagiging open ka with a heart-to-heart conversation sa mga tao sa paligid mo or kung sino man itong tingin mo mga makakatulong sa'yo. Like, you're discussing whatever itong um, nasa isipan mo. Yung parang sinasabi mo sa kanila, dinidiscuss or kinakausap mo sila regarding dito. You're being open. I feel like itong energy ninyo ng person na ito is nakafocus sa mga issues, trying to heal kind of energy. The death card and rebirth is here, so this is your person. Maybe unti-unti na siyang naliliwanagan ngayon. Yung person na ito is also concentrated pagdating sa usaping pamilya. I feel like may mga pag-i-struggle kung paano ma-achieve yung goals nitong person na ito, like making changes sa kanyang sarili. I feel like there's this new beginning dito sa side ng person mo. Anyway, ano yung mga nasa isipan mo at emotions mo towards this person? I feel like may mga issues sa inyo ngayon na nakaka-apekto sa connection ninyo. For some of you. Eight of Cups is here. Ace of Cups. Page of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Isip at emotions niya towards you. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Sorry about my card. Luma itong gamit ko ngayon, but this is my favorite. So, yung aking isang favorite na give up na hindi na talaga siya pwede. So, this is my second favorite now. The Hierophant and the Seven of Cups is here. Oh, wow. The Fool is at the bottom of the deck. Mutual energy. Mutual energy. You do have your wedding, so I don't know kung married ka ba dito sa person na ito or might be you're married in your past life. Okay. I feel like yung mga bagay or tao sa paligid mo ngayon, there's a lot of love here. Kaya nga nandun yung protection mo kasi mahal mo tong mga taong to. You know? And like, hindi mo hahayaan na may mangyaring hindi maganda sa kanila. But I feel like you are interested sa future. You are also interested sa future. I can see a lot of love with the Ace of Cups coming from you dito sa new beginnings and future na ito. Yeah, especially with the passion. And at the same time, nandun pa rin naman yung with the love yourself first. Nandun pa rin naman yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo because you do respect everyone right now. Nandito yung respeto mo sa sarili mo, respeto sa mga tao sa paligid mo, respeto sa future mo, whatever this respect is ibinibigay mo yan. Hindi naman ibig sabihin um, na excited ka sa future mo is that wala ka nang pakialam dito sa mga nandito sa paligid mo. I feel like yung also pagdating sa parents or uh, mga kapatid or relatives, nakikita natin yung pagmamahal mo sa kanila. Like you're willing to give to them. And because of that, nakukuha nila yung respeto pabalik sa'yo. Like, they do respect you, they do love you because you know how to show your love towards them. So, nakikita natin, napakaganda ng energy mo. You are actually the Page of Swords. For some of you, tinatry mong kontrolin ang iyong paniniwalang spiritual or maybe yung knowledge mo regarding your connection pagdating sa soulmate, medyo kinokontrol mo to. Hindi mo masyadong finofocusan or, maybe marami kang alam regarding soulmate or what with regards to your person pero parang kunwari wala or binabaliktad mo. Parang maybe you're giving delays for now. So, sa connection pagdating sa mga soulmate. For some of you, ganun ang story, ha. This is soulmate connection, but, pwedeng you're still facing the devil, which is yung mismong pinaka-challenges dito sa connection nito. So, maybe nandito ka pa nakafocus. Your person, on the other hand, is the Hierophant. I can see this person is may mga choices for now. Yeah, may mga choices siya for now. Regarding sa emotion niya sa'yo, or regarding sa sa emosyon nitong person na ito sa'yo, this person is like pwedeng you are his or her happy pill or pwedeng ikaw some kind of addiction or obsession. Parang ganun. Parang lagi kang iniisip nitong person na to but hindi niya pinapahalata yun. There are times na tumatawang mag-isa yung person na ito because you are the one na iniisip niya. Like maybe there's memories of you or may mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya ngayon. Don't get me wrong, ha. Pero it's like maybe may something sa inyo in the past na hindi siya nag-move forward na parang iniisip pa rin itong person na ito. Like, yung memory is fresh. Detalyado. Dito sa person na ito. I feel like this person is willing na mag-take ng risk in the future. Yeah, this person is willing mag-take ng risk in the future. Wala siyang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. Like this person wants to marry you. This person wants to marry you. Sa ngayon, tinatry niyang ayusin yung buhay niya And like you can see here, may ladder, dahil parehong may hagdan dyan. So, tinatry niyang mag-focus, kasi alam mo nagkaroon na siya ng mga pagkakamaling choice in the past. So, tinatry niyang itama yung mga pagkakamali na yun. In the near future for the sign of Virgo. The Fool, the Lovers, and the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Pentacles. In the near future, you'd over the Six of Swords. So, ayusin natin. In the near future for the sign of Virgo, you'd over the Wheel, the Chariot, and the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Swords. In the near future for Virgo, you do have to keep an open mind, children, and give your relationship a chance. Bottom of the deck is the Calling in your soulmate. Yeah, anyway, in the near future, I can see na both of you, bibigyan nyo ng chance itong connection na ito, na maybe naapektuhan siya because of, with a keep an open mind, maybe this is another choices sa mga buhay ninyo. Pwedeng choices niya, choices mo. So, ito yung naging naka-apekto. Or maybe children. No? So, maybe your love life or your connection with this person is affected by children. So, naapektuhan siya. So, maybe there's children na involved, or maybe yung past connection ninyo, maybe nagkakilala kayo while you're still a child. So, nagkaroon ng mga maling decision in the past. You know, and naging nakaapekto ng malaki yun sa connection ninyo. And then, for what I can see here, in the near future, you're giving this partnership a chance. Alam mo yung connection ninyo in the near future, more like partnership. Hindi relationship agad-agad, but more on ang mas nade-develop is yung partnership. I can see big change because this person is pwedeng may pagta-travel with the Chariot na gagawin to work out this things. Guys, by the way, kung may mga pagkakamaling decision in the past, in the near future, definitely, it's like ikaw ang choice nitong person na to. Gusto niya baguhin yung kanyang situation, and that finally, na-realize niya na yung situation niya is hindi nag-work out because you're not there. And then, I feel like with the Fool, you are willing to take the risk here with the Lovers para, I mean, nakikita natin that you are surrendering. You know what I mean? Parang, wala ka nang pakialam. I feel like ito yung point na nagbibigay ka ng chance in a way na bahala na lang in the near future. There's this ending here. I can see you have already moved on in the near future with the Six of Swords. So, pwede kung may mga ending man na mangyari sa'yo, nakikita natin yung pag-move on mo. That's why, mas nakikipag-engage ka sa communication with the heart-to-heart conversation in the near future sa person nito. I can see na both of you will be helping each other. Or maybe professional, usaping professional, or usaping money. The Four of Swords is here. I mean, pag napagod yung person mo sa situation niya, na parang na-realize niya, I'm not happy with what I have, the Four of Swords is like, this is not making any movement, diba? Pero, once na ma-realize niya na yung hindi ko pagawa ng movement is like, mas hindi healthy to sa akin, I need to make a choice and I need to make changes sa sarili ko. Doon lang yun eh. Doon lang magkakaroon ng movement yung person na ito. Diba? maybe itatry niyang maging patient, tatry niyang i you know, tanggapin kung ano yung situation niya, but time will come, hahanap-hanapin niya yung changes, ayaw niya ng ganun. Like, this person is hindi okay. So, yeah, the Six of Pentacles is here. So, nakikita natin na makikipagtulungan itong person na to, maybe may kinalaman sa usaping professional. With you, you are the moon. You are the moon. So, makikipagtulungan itong person na ito sa'yo. A lot of communication in the near future with a calling in your soulmate. And I can see na a lot of communication. Maybe hindi pa nandun, wala pa dun yung honesty agad-agad sa kung ano yung pinag-i-struggle ng person mo. Pero nandun yung at least both of you are working out or wino-work out ang connection na ito. Sana medyo naging malinaw sa'yo kasi medyo nagiging magulo talaga siya. Dahil yung person na nakukuha ko sa side na ito is medyo nahihirapan pang i-open kung ano man yung mga dapat niyang i-open sa'yo. Anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.